What are the advantages of the installation of an inline system like the Gallus CCS 510 and the key benefits for the customers?
In the current climate, quality is a given. What we're finding with customers is that service, as in on-time delivery and on-demand delivery, is becoming increasingly important. Our customers are looking for shorter run lengths, quicker turnarounds, and many variables within a carton. And the CCS allows us to meet these requirements due to its flexibility and its simple nature of operation.
When I walked around this production area, it looked very compact for me. Is it also another benefit of the inline process?
The initial benefit of inline is that you have a much smaller footprint on your production floor. So instead of having a printing machine, laminating machine, a foiling machine, all as separate units, we have one machine that allows us to do all that in one pass on the press. So firstly, a smaller footprint, but secondly, because we have finished blanks coming off our machine, they're ready to go straight to the gluing department. So we don't have pallets of sheets of work in progress throughout the factory waiting for the next process.
You mentioned that the customer demands change, shorter run length and faster delivery times. In your experience, for which run length would you recommend going inline instead of offline?
We would find that we run 5,000 to 10,000 cartons on a very regular basis, and our optimum is probably somewhere between 5,000 linear meters and 20,000 linear meters is where we see the process being most cost effective and most beneficial to the customer.
Can you give us a quick look at the products you're manufacturing at the moment?
Absolutely, Stefan. Yeah, here's a sample. Simple but very effective. It's a cold foil carton, cold foiled in line with a matte satin varnish and 2-color print.
Very nice.
Simple, but produced in one pass on the press. Also, this is another carton we're producing. Again, quite simple, but it has a matte tactile varnish and it has a raised UV gloss screen varnish area, which is stunning on the shelf. Our customer was absolutely blown away by it. As you will see on one of our pharmaceutical cartons, we also screen print braille. And we can do this very effectively. And recently we asked the Northern Ireland branch of the Institute of the Blind to test our braille and see what they thought of it. And their comments were that it was the best braille that they had ever read.
Was it never a question going inline?
Obviously, when you're putting this kind of investment into the plant, you need to make sure that you're going to get the right product to keep the company going well into the future. So we spent 2 or 3 years looking at the various options, the various processes, and at the end of it, inline was the only answer for us.
Dermot, thanks a lot for taking your time and providing us an insight into a modern inline production facility. Thanks a lot for that.
You're very welcome, Stefan. I hope it's been helpful.
Absolutely, thank you.
I believe you're a very keen golfer, Stefan.
Oh, people say, yeah.
Well, you know, apart from inline processing, Northern Ireland is very famous for other things as well.
Really?
Yes. Golf.
Oh, that's fun.
Let's go. Our tea time's in half an hour.
Perfect.